The 2023 model of the Sandero continues Dacia's tradition of offering economical, practical vehicles. The Sandero's engines provide enough power for most drivers, with its most powerful option, a bi-fuel variant, delivering up to 99 horsepower. This engine is a dual-fuel option that can utilize both gasoline and propane, offering users greater fueling flexibility. However, it should be noted that availability of this option is limited to certain countries. The transmission options available for the 2023 Sandero cater to a variety of driving preferences. The standard manual gearbox has 5 speeds, offering a traditional driving experience. For the Stepway versions, an additional 6th gear is provided, making for smoother highway cruising. An automatic option is also available in the form of a continuously variable transmission, ideal for those seeking ease and convenience in their driving. Fuel economy is a major selling point of the Sandero, with impressive figures offered across its range. The most fuel-efficient is the naturally aspirated gasoline engine, which achieves up to 53 mpg in urban settings and 62 mpg on highways. Even the turbocharged variant offers respectable efficiency, with reported fuel economy figures of 50 mpg within city limits and 57 mpg during highway drives. Regarding the car's performance, it's important to understand that the Sandero prioritizes practicality over speed. The naturally aspirated engine takes around 14 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour, while the turbocharged variant can accomplish the same in about 12 seconds. These performance figures may not excite speed enthusiasts, but they are more than sufficient for the everyday driver, offering smooth and predictable performance. In terms of interior and comfort, the Sandero takes a no-frills approach. The materials used may not be luxury grade, but they are decently put together. The car can comfortably accommodate 4 adults, making it an excellent choice for small families or groups. Seats are designed with comfort and support in mind, contributing to a pleasant ride. Although the rear windows operate manually via crank handles, the front ones are electrically powered, and the car also includes remote-operated power door locks as standard features. Finally, looking at the cost, the 2023 Sandero starts at an approximate price of €12,500 in the European market. This makes it an incredibly affordable option, particularly when one considers the standard features included. 6 airbags, LED daytime running lights, and Bluetooth connectivity are a few examples of the value packed into this budget-friendly vehicle. Overall, the Sandero presents as a sensible choice for those seeking reliability and economy in their daily commuting vehicle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.